Welcome back to another civilians video. My name is Evelyn and today I'm showing you how to recreate this romantic photo booth backdrop. Let's get started. Begin by adding the uprights to the bases. Set the first crossbar in place and add the drapes you will like in the back layer. For this one I'm using some light ivory chiffon drapes. Add your second crossbar in choice of outer drape layer. In my case I'm adding some beautifully soft velvet drapes in dusty blue. Next, we're adding some of our pre-made floral runners. Run 3 zip ties through the back of the foam tubing, one in the middle and one on each end. Use the zip ties to attach the floral runner to the crossbars. Now repeat the same steps on the upright. I did have to cut a section of a 4th floral runner to completely cover this upright, but this may vary depending on the desired height of your backdrop. Lastly, give your outer drape layer a low swag away from the florals and add your favorite neon sign in the center. This adaptable and elegant double-layer design can easily be customized with a variety of colors and materials to perfectly suit the theme of your next event. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.